Today. Pandit Jasraj Ji was initiated into the vocal music by his father, Sangeet Ratna Pandit Motiram Ji, a classical musician in his own right. His father left this world when Pandit Ji was only 4 years of age. He then received training from his elder brother, Sangeet Mahamopadhyay Pandit Maniram Ji. Maharaja Jayawant Singh Ji Waghela was his spiritual guru. Pandit Ji's greatest contribution to Indian classical music is perhaps his conception of a unique and novel jugalbandi styled on the ancient system of murchanas between a male and a female vocalist, each singing in their respective scales and different ragas at the same time. In his honor, this legendary jugalbandi is known as the Jasrangi. He also has done extensive research in Haveli Sangeet. In memory of his late father, he organizes a musical festival every year called the Pandit Motiram Pandit Maniram Sangeet Samaroh in Hyderabad, India. It completed 41 years in 2013. Other than being a recipient of the coveted Padma Vibhushan, Pandit Jasraj Ji is also the recipient of Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Sangeet Kala Ratna, Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Award, Lata Mangeshkar Puruskar, Maharashtra Gaurav Puruskar, and Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship. I would like to please request all of you to give a big hand to Pandit Jasraj Ji. Accompanying Pandit Jasraj Ji today, providing vocal support, is Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma Ji. Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma Ji is not only a senior disciple of Pandit Jasraj Ji, but also Pandit Jasraj Ji's nephew. He is very well versed in classical music forms like Khayal, Tarana, Dhrupad, Haveli Sangeet, and Tappa. He also performs in light classical forms, including bhajans and Rajasthani folk music. He is an A-grade artist of All India Radio and has performed solos in many concerts and festivals all over India and abroad. He performs regularly at the Pandit Motiram Pandit Maniram Sangeet Samaroh, organized by Pandit Jasraj Ji, Harivallav Sangeet Sammelan, Savai Gandharva Bhimsen Festival, and Tansen Sangeet Samaroh in Gwalior. Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma Ji has been bestowed with numerous awards. To name a few, they are Sankar Rao Vyas Award, Sangeet Martand, Pandit Jasraj Rotating Trophy, Mewati Gharana, Gaurav Puruskar, Sur Ratna Award, Sur Mani Award, IWAF Gharana Award, Tarana Ke Badshah Award. Can we please give a big hand to Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma Ji. Accompanying Pandit Jasraj Ji today on harmonium and vocal support is Pandita Tripti Mukherjee, a senior disciple of Pandit Jasraj Ji. Pandita Tripti Mukherjee is an outstanding vocalist and illustrious exponent of the Mewati Gharana, an exemplary of the true Guru Shishya Parampara. She is the only classical musician to have the rare honor of performing in the Rashtrapati Bhavan in India as well as the White House in the USA. And she is also one of the first Indian musicians to have performed in the Antarctic continent. She is the founder and director of the Vocal Music Institute, the Pandit Jasraj Institute, recognized by the state of New York, felicitated with numerous awards and honored by the New York State for her outstanding contribution and service to the community through music. She has performed in concerts extensively all over the world. A big hand to Pandita Tripti Mukherjee. Shri Aditya Narayan Banerjee will accompany today on tabla, a trained and a promising musician of India. Aditya Narayan Banerjee is a disciple of Pandit Sapan Chaudhary. On Tanpura, we have Srimati Modhumita Shabata and Srimati Anjula Prasad, the disciples of Pandit Jasraj Institute, USA. Before beginning today's enchanting musical journey with Sangeet Martand Pandit Jasraj, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to Right Honorable President of Nepal, His Excellency Dr. Ram Baran Yadav ji, for his gracious presence in this evening. I would humbly like to request His Excellency Right Honorable President of Nepal and His Excellency Ambassador of India to kindly light the oil-fed lamp to inaugurate the event formally. थैंक यू योर एक्सेलेंस। आज की ये यादगार शाम सुरों के बादशाह पंडित जसराज जी और उनके शिष्यों के नाम इन सभी सुरों को महारथी को सांगीतिक प्रणाम। एंजॉय द इवनिंग। थैंक यू।
जय हो। आत्मा सो परमात्मा वो हम सब में विराजमान है, तो इसलिए स्टेज की तरफ से आप सबको प्रणाम।
नागरी नागर भव सागर ते, 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 नागरी नागर भव सागर ते।
Please give them a big round of applause. May I now humbly request Right Honorable President of Nepal, His Excellency Dr. Ram Baran Yadav ji, and His Excellency Ambassador of India to Nepal, Sri Ranjit Ray sir, to jointly present the token of appreciation to all of them. A huge round of applause for Sangeet Martand Pandit Jasraj ji. Shri Aditya Narayan Banerjee, Srimati Modhumita Shabata ji, and Srimati Anjula Prasad ji. May I now request Your Excellencies for a group picture with our eminent artists. Thank you, Your Excellencies, this ceremony. We also thank Army Officers Club for providing us this beautiful